To manage student schedules, first you'll navigate to the Students tab inside of the Administrator dashboard. From here, you can either work on a per student basis by clicking their name and then clicking on the Schedule tab. And here you can either set custom hours for this student. So here we'll set them from 8:30 to 2:30 as a custom schedule for them, and we'll click Save, or you can click on Save Schedules and select one of your predefined schedules. So we'll go ahead and switch them back to custom hours. And this is again on the per student. Now you also have the option to select as many students as you want to apply an already created template schedule for them. So here I've selected these first 7 students, and then over here we're going to click on Assign Schedule. Here you'll go ahead and select one of your predefined schedules. We'll do part-time 5 days, and then click Assign Students to Schedule. And if you go ahead and click on any one of these students and then go to the Schedule tab, you'll see that now they're also set to part-time 5 days.